Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is another Tech Travel Geeks unpackaging and review of an Essager cable that I purchased on AliExpress. As with some of the other Essager cable reviews on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, this is one that I purchased on AliExpress for the purpose of going on a trip. And specifically, this one will be for use in the car, for charging devices in the car, with an unbreak cable charger that we've also reviewed here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. But let's have a look at what it's like. So, opening the cable, as it arrived from AliExpress after a couple of weeks, it's a braided cable, not dissimilar to the ones we have seen before here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. Now, it is a 2-meter cable, let's just verify that. So I'm undoing the Velcro cable tidy with Essager branding on it that I have here. And yeah, so this checks out as a 2-meter cable. And on one side, it is USB Type A, and it has a nice little finish here, a sort of harder TPU finish that will make it a bit sturdy and resistant to fraying, as well as the other side, which is USB Type-C. Now, apparently one of the unique features of this cable is the fact that it has a little light on it. So let's see it in action. What I'm going to do is plug the USB Type-A end. In this context, I'm going to plug it into my VoltMe charger, which VoltMe sent us for review a while back, and which is now my preferred desktop charger. So that's going in at one end. And to see what sort of performance we get from this Essager cable, you see, as it is, it has a range of LED lighting conditions here. This seems to be ready, oh no, it's cycling through colors. That's really quite cool. So it started off with red, it went yellow, green, blue, white, and now it's gone back to amber. Oh, this is quite mesmerizing. So, ooh, shiny LED. Flash. So exciting. So what I'm going to do is see what happens when I plug this cable, which is keeping us entertained here, into a device which has no charge. This is the Honor 70 in its red case. So I am getting a quick Honor splash screen, which is always good to see. And currently the light is on green, but is going to blue, darker blue. This is really quite cool. And it's cycling through colors. So obviously this may not be ideal for conditions such as having it in your bedroom if you're charging your phone in your bedroom next to your bed. But let me have a closer look here and unlock the device. So we can see that in terms of charging, it is charging the Honor 70, which was pretty much flat. Let's see how it charges. So we're getting a standard charge here. It's not saying that if it's a fast charge, a rapid charge or anything, just a standard charge. But it is a USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable. I'm not seeing much more than just standard charge, but it's got a light on, so that must be good, right? Let's try lighting up the screen. It just says that it's charging normally. No indication of a fast charge from Honor. Then again, Honor do have a particularly strange setup when it comes to charging. It tends to be that for the fastest charging, you actually need a 6-amp cable. Let's try with the Honor Magic 5 Lite. This is the review device Honor sent us to review. It is currently sitting at 6% charge. Let's see how this Essager cable is handled by the Honor Magic 5 Lite. Again, just like the Honor 70, we're seeing just a standard charge, which likely means that this Essager cable, which is called, according to the AliExpress listing, Essager 2-meter USB Type-C cable mobile cell phone charger fast charging cord for Xiaomi 11, 12, Poco, F3, Realme, Huawei, OnePlus data wire. I'm pretty certain that's an SEO heavy title or listing for the product, but let's leave that aside. Let's see how the Google Pixel 7 Pro handles this. Now my Google Pixel 7 Pro is currently around about a 60% charge. I'm going to plug in our Essager cable, and it just says that we're standard charging. Oh, it actually says charging slowly. So a bit disappointing. I was hoping in a bit of a faster charge from this. It's obviously not quick charge or fast charge cable. It is USB type A, so it's probably geared towards older devices. That's a shame, but we'll just leave things as they are at the moment. This is probably fine for if you're on a long car trip and you don't need to charge your phone as you're using maps and other services. Maybe for long-term or overnight charging a power bank, this would be a good cable. But I'm a little bit disappointed. Then again, for £2.60 sterling, which equates to less than $3 US, there's not that much to complain about. $3 US for a cable with a really cool LED that shifts lights, I think is still decent value for money. Though I'm a bit sad that it doesn't fast charge either my Google Pixel 7 Pro or any of my Honor devices. And obviously it won't charge my iPhone because iPhone is a lightning cable. It's a shame, but 2-meter cable, always quite handy to pop in the backpack. You never know when USB Type-C cable will come in handy, especially if, for example, using a power bank, both for charging a power bank or for discharging it. I think this is a useful thing to have, especially since it has a cable tidy attached to it. So I will be putting this in my backpack, but it might not be the first device cable I reach for when I'm needing a USB-A to USB Type-C cable. So anyway, enough of me waffling on. Let's wrap up this quick review of the Essager 2-meter USB Type-C cable for mobile phone, cell phone, charger, fast charging cord for Xiaomi 11, 12, Poco F3, Realme, Huawei, OnePlus data wire. Yes, I'll wrap this review up. Thanks for watching if you made it this far. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and pretty much anything we think makes the travel experience better. As well as that coverage of consumer electronics, we do also do some travel content, whether it's a wingtip sample video from a mobile device or a full-on travel vlog. Check those out as well. I'm just about to go off on a nice trip with my wife. We're going to the west coast of the US, to California for a road trip, so you can follow our adventures on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.